Reobrix Technology GT500, another sort of Lego-like set again. GT500, obviously a Ford Mustang GT500 reference, and you can kind of see cues of that, although it's kind of a stretch, obviously. On the back, it shows kind of a nice rear view. I'm looking forward to seeing what this looks like when it's all built up. All right, so there's the instruction manual. Looks like pretty nice, isometric view. Should be pretty straightforward. 56 steps, which is kind of a lot for a model this size. But yeah, has a lot of pieces. So let's get started. Okay, so there it is, the Technology Reobrix GT500. And, it has kind of cartoony proportions. It's a pretty nice model though. It has the good interior detail and, the taillights, I really like how they handled that. The building technique for that was pretty clever with a little kind of spatula shaped piece that sticks into a little hinge and then lets it have that angle like it's supposed to, instead of just having it be straight up and down. So definitely cartoonishly large tailpipes, and I don't know, the wheels look a little small in this to me for if it's going to be kind of a cartoony proportion, but it's a nice model. It went together very well, no missing pieces or anything. Doesn't roll that great, honestly, but it's pretty nice. One thing I wanted to point out is this actually has full-size, Lego size pieces. In an earlier video, I built this Mini, and it's like the same scale as this GT500, but the Mini has these weird 3/4 scale kind of size pieces, and the GT500 has regular size, and I really prefer this. Neither one was, the GT500 really wasn't more expensive than the Mini, so I wish they could have done that on this one. But, these pieces on the GT500 will really make for some other nice models that can mix with Lego pieces and everything. So there you have it, the Reobrix Technology GT500.